Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Quick Tip. I'm Chris, and I'm here with Mike. And today we'll be talking about the Media Background Simulation preset in Ergosoft. So, Mike, media background simulation, very, very helpful for certain applications. Let's say I'm doing DTG, DTF, maybe I'm printing onto a colored media like a vinyl, and I want to try to anticipate what a particular art file is going to look like on a colored substrate. How can we use the presets in Ergosoft to help us do that?
Yeah, great. That is called background simulation, media background simulation. It is a part of our job preset options. So with your image unselected on the right in your properties panel on the bottom, you will see media background simulation. There are two that come pre-made. Show black substrate. If I hit apply here, you'll see it's just making your background black. Now remember, it's not going to print black. It's just a simulation. And we also have transparency, right? This is a PNG with a transparent background. So as you can see, all the area behind it is transparent. So that'll simulate a transparent background, maybe a plexiglass or something. Uh,
Super helpful for a PNG workflow. I mean, they're so popular as a file type these days for a lot of applications. So knowing that the transparency is there is great.
these are three that I created. Blue. I'll just scroll through these really quick to show you. Gray, and then we have red, right? So it's just showing you how it's going to look on a simulated background. Now, to create your own, you can do new here. Click new, and you can select white as a colored background. You can actually select from image file. So if you have an image, maybe it's a pattern or something, you can actually use that as a simulated background. Or, which is what I did, you can do just select a colored background and you can select from a color picker. So let's say you wanted to do like a green, so you can hit apply and then it'll do a simulated green background. You can also select from a swatch book. So if you have a certain color you want to simulate, you can select from there. But since I have green selected, I'm just going to hit OK. I'm going to call it green BG for background. And then I have it selected up here in my preset selection and hit apply. And now it's green. So that's basically as quick as it is to make a simulated background.
Excellent. Okay, so quick review. If you're doing any kind of printing that involves a colored substrate, you can easily make a media background simulation preset to get an idea of how that file is going to look on that colored substrate. Excellent, Mike. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching, everyone, and please contact us if you have any questions.